What if you could run an entire YouTube channel without ever showing your face, recording your voice, or editing a single frame? Thousands are already doing it, and AI is making it easier than ever. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to build and automate a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Step by step. No tech skills needed. Welcome back to AITHORITY, the channel where we break down the smartest ways to use AI in the real world. Today's episode is for anyone who wants to start a YouTube channel but doesn't want to spend hours writing scripts, recording voiceovers, editing footage, or designing thumbnails. By the end of this video, you'll know how to automate almost every part of the process using powerful and often free AI tools. Let's get into it. Before you dive into automation, you need a clear niche. The best niches for faceless, AI-powered channels are evergreen, searchable, and solve a specific problem. Think tech tutorials, motivational content, luxury lifestyle, personal finance, or trending AI tools. Keep it consistent. YouTube rewards focused channels, not ones that jump from crypto to cat videos. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to generate scripts. AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can write full YouTube scripts with just a single prompt. Type in your title, like Top 5 AI Tools for Content Creators, and ask for a conversational YouTube-style script. You can even ask it to include a hook, bullet points, and a CTA. Want to level it up? Use Claude for deeper contextual accuracy, or Notion AI for formatting your content workflow. Let the AI do the heavy lifting. You just guide the voice. Next, turn your script into narration. With tools like ElevenLabs, Play.ht, or Descript, you can generate voiceovers that sound just like a real human, sometimes even better. Choose a voice, select a tone, professional, casual, upbeat, and generate your audio file. No need to speak into a mic or edit awkward pauses. It's fast, flexible, and incredibly realistic. Some creators even create multiple characters using different AI voices. The possibilities are endless. Now it's time to bring your content to life. Tools like Pictory let you paste in your script or upload your voiceover, and it automatically generates a full video. It matches visuals to your narration using stock footage, adds transitions, and even includes captions. You can tweak scenes, change visuals, add your branding, all in minutes. Other options include InVideo, Runway, and even Canva's new AI video editor. This is how people are producing high-quality videos every single day, without touching traditional editing software. Thumbnails are key to getting clicks. And yes, AI can help with that too. Use Canva's Magic Design or Leonardo AI to create eye-catching thumbnails. Upload your title, pick a layout, and let AI suggest visuals, text, and color schemes. Make sure your thumbnail stands out. Use high contrast, bold fonts, and a clear central image. You don't need to be a designer. The AI does the hard part. You've got your video. Now let's make sure people find it. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to research keywords, optimize your titles, write compelling descriptions, and choose the right tags. These tools will even show you what's trending and what keywords your competitors are using. A good title and description can be the difference between 100 views and 10,000. Once your video is ready, it's time to automate publishing. Use YouTube Studio to schedule uploads, or third-party tools like Metricool or Hootsuite if you're managing multiple platforms. You can batch a month's worth of content in one afternoon and have it release automatically each week. Consistency matters, and automation makes it easy. Lastly, use data to get better. Check your YouTube analytics. Where are people dropping off? What's your average view duration? AI tools like Morning Fame break this down and even suggest improvements. Remember, success on YouTube isn't about luck. It's about learning from what works and letting AI help you do more of it. And that's how you can automate a YouTube channel using AI from start to finish. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite AI tool, and subscribe to AITHORITY for more game-changing tech insights. Because in tomorrow's video, we're putting two of the biggest video AI platforms head-to-head, Synthesia versus HeyGen. Which one should you use for your next project? Find out next.